Hey, good morning everybody, this is Vibhor here with another video. Today, all we are talking about is the new camera setup on the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's dive deep inside the camera settings and see what's good, what's bad and what's ugly. Alright, so the first setting is ability to change between the HD and 4K mode right from the camera itself. From the application you can change the modes as well as the frame rate. So you can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS right off the camera. Also, you have ability to change the cameras itself on the fly. You can move between the normal wide angle camera, the ultra wide angle camera and the telephoto camera lens itself. Then on top of it, you have the ability to go into the numbers in between these. So the fractional numbers, for that, just keep clicking over here and then you get a cog wheel. You can go absolutely anywhere, any sort of magnification is possible. You can go to 1.2, 1.3x, wherever you wish to go. In the photo mode, you have an option to change your aspect ratio from 4:3, which is the universal aspect ratio which Apple always used to give, to 16:9, which is the widescreen aspect ratio for the camera. So the H2H display you can get from the 16:9 aspect ratio right over here. You also have an option to change to the square setting for the Instagram type of shots if you prefer to do that. Now another amazing feature over here is to turn on the lens correction feature over here. So what that does is it corrects this distortion that comes off the lights and give you a picture something like this. So these two pictures, pretty much this picture has been taken from iPhone 11. You can see that distortion and the flare that lens has created over the lights, and the other picture, this has been taken from iPhone 12 Pro. So pretty much all the lights and everything is in shade. Also, another thing about this is the night mode photography. The night mode photography on these cameras is so excellent. Right in this picture itself, you can see this picture, absolutely no settings have been changed. This is from iPhone 11. The picture is pretty dark as there was no light in the room at that time apart from these 4 lamps. And at the same time, the picture taken from iPhone 12 Pro, it's much more vibrant, it's much more dynamic in the HDR quality, and the lights are way more visible. Another amazing feature on the iPhone 12 camera is the ability to shoot on RAW. So you can see on top over here, the RAW is turned off right now. If I click on that, it gives me an ability to shoot raw images directly out of the camera. Now this feature is enabled from iOS 14.3. Now another awesome feature is that on that photo mode, you can keep pressing on that button and it is going to immediately start shooting the video. You can keep pressing that button and you get that immediate video shot right over here. That gives you a quick video, and if you want a longer video, you can drag it towards the right and place it over here. So now it is in the video mode and you can have your video shot right from the photo mode itself. Now another awesome feature with the cameras is the formats in which it can record. It can record your video up to 4K 60 frames per second, and it can record your slow-mo video up to 1080p 240 frames per second. You also have an option to turn on the grids of your camera. What that does, it gives you those lines, those grids, to place your subject at the right position, to position your subject and position your camera perfectly. So this is definitely really good feature to place your subject correctly in the picture composition. Also, iPhone 12 shoots really nice night photographs because of this night photography mode over here. So if it detects that there is less light, it automatically turns on the night mode, as you can see right over here. So if the light is low, it will turn on the night mode so that the shutter speed goes a little low and you get that maximum quality of the image. You also have the smart HDR feature right out of the box. If this is not taken on, you can go into settings, into the camera settings, and turn this on. What this does is it takes 3 pictures at the same time and then blend them together to give you the maximum high dynamic range for that particular picture and maximum contrast and brightness in that photo. This is also useful during the video creation on the iPhone. So iPhone 12 and 12 Pro is the first camera to include the HDR video mode. This is the 10-bit high dynamic range video, which includes Dolby Vision video functionality. So the picture quality, the video clarity that comes out from this, even in low light situation, is truly amazing. And this is denoted with an HDR on the top left corner of the video that is taken in the HDR mode. the clarity, the color depth and everything of the video just comes out to be amazing. So guys, that was the quick video about the settings that you get with this amazing iPhone 12 Pro camera. Majority of the settings are the same in iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 camera as well. The HDR mode, the Pro RAW format, everything is absolutely the same. The only change is the telephoto camera that you get in iPhone 12 Pro. You do not get the same telephoto camera in the iPhone 12. Apart from that, more or less the camera is the same in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. If you like this video guys, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about Apple and Apple products. I'll see you again in my next video. See ya.